Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a Vinted account. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in vinted.com. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official site for Vinted. Go to the top right hand corner from the main homepage and click on the sign up/login button. You can sign up with your Facebook account, Google account, or Apple ID. Also, if you want to register with an email, click on this email link. Now, in the sign up with email form, type in your full name, create a username, enter an email and a password. After you are done filling in the information, click on this boxes if you want to receive personalized offers and the latest Vinted updates email. If you don't want to receive them, leave it unchecked and click on this next box in order to agree and consent to Vinted's terms and conditions. Finally, click continue. Go through the security puzzle and verify your email address to keep your account secure. Click on get my verification code and then log into your email inbox. Open up the same email that you registered with on Vinted. Now click on the email that you received from teamvinted.com. Copy the code that you received via the mail and paste it inside the email verification tab for Vinted and click verify. Click on the continue button and then the next step is to verify your mobile number. Simply click on this verify mobile number button and then enter your country code along with your phone number. Finally, click on the send button. Now, soon after you enter your phone number, go ahead and enter the code that you received via SMS, which is 4 digits long. After entering the 4 digits code, click on verify. Once you are done with the phone number verification, you will be able to sign up for Vinted. Vinted is an online marketplace for buying, selling and exchanging new or second-hand items, mainly clothing and accessories. So that was how you will be able to sign up for Vinted within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.